Hi, let's talk about this brown sugar body scrub. I received this as a gift so that I could use it, try it out, and then tell you all about it. And I knew right before I used it that it was gonna make my skin feel soft. I had no idea how soft it would get. Oh my gosh, it is such a good exfoliator. My skin felt just silky after I used it. So let me show you, it's wet. I just actually used it today again. So this is what it looks like. It looks tarry, and it is very thick, very granular. That's what it looks like, but let me show you what it looks like when you add water to it. So I'm just rubbing my hands together. So it gets a nice, good smelling lather to it, and look at that, and you can feel like the granules as you're using it on your skin, and it's just rubbing away all those dead skin cells and leaving behind nourished, soft, smooth skin. That's the way it worked for me. So let me rinse my hands real quick here. So yeah, and I was actually kind of worried that because it has little pieces of coconut in it, I was a little bit worried that it would, oh gosh, that's soft. And I only just did it for a few seconds on my hands. So soft. Anyway, I was worried that it would get stuck in my drain, but it does not get stuck in my drain. So even though it's the sugar granules and the little teeny tiny pieces of coconut. So that's how you use it. That's what it looks like. It smells good. And like I said, it leaves behind super soft, silky skin. Thanks.